Hey guys, welcome back to my channel TechGalDiaries. So today I'm going to be unboxing this Raspberry Pi 4 computer, and for those of you who don't know what a Raspberry Pi is, it's basically a mini computer that's about this size, and it basically simulates what the computers that we use are like so that we could do certain things with them, like learn how to program. And I thought it was mainly for kids, but I learned that adults can actually have a lot of fun with it too, so I was like, okay, why not get this kit and let's try it out. Okay, so let's start opening this. I got this off of a Canadian website called Canakit, I believe. I think that if you live in the US, you can get it on the official Raspberry Pi website. But yeah, I wanted to get the kit because I already had everything in it, so I would have had to order the parts separately. Okay, so let's open it up. So here's the power supply. It comes with this thank you for your purchase thing. Just a quick reference, I guess, to what's inside. And then they also have a mouse, so that's pretty cute. They come with all the accessories as well. And this is just, I guess, where all the ports and stuff for USBs and stuff go. Oh, and an SD card with the Raspberry Pi symbol. And here's an HDMI cord, and here is another one. Micro HDMI. I think there's two of them. And they have official Raspberry Pi keyboard, as well as the Raspberry Pi beginner's guide. So you're probably wondering at this point, where is the actual Raspberry Pi computer? I was wondering that too, but I guess this is inside the case. So if you see here it is. I believe that I got the 4 GB one. And what's cool is that they just came out with the Raspberry Pi 4 computer, as you can see here. So it's a newer version. I believe that the one that I used in high school for once or twice was a Raspberry Pi 2. So not exactly sure what everything in here does yet, but I guess we will find out. It's cute that they have a case though that came with it. Another reason why I got this kit is because I really wanted this book as well. It seems super cute, and it's cool that they updated it for Raspberry Pi 4. But yeah, it's basically an illustrated guide to how to use the Raspberry Pi and everything. And it even has like mini projects in here that you could do. It basically tells you what you can do. It has Scratch projects, and then it also has Python projects in here. So it's a pretty thick guide actually, and I think it's around 240 pages or something, so like tons of information in here. Next up is this power supply thing, and let's see what it looks inside. And it's just a cord which you can plug in to charge the computer, and I think this works with basically any power outlet, and then you just plug it in. Next we have this Raspberry Pi mouse, which is really cute. Let's see what it looks like. Okay, so it's red, very on theme, and it has the scroll thing. This is really cute. It's like mini size too. It looks too small for my hand. Next up we have this keyboard, and it looks like this. It comes with the cord, and it's basically just a nice mini keyboard that goes along with the computer. And if we open it up, it's pretty small. It's not heavy at all. And it actually feels pretty nice to type on. Pretty good accessories to go along with the Raspberry Pi computer. If you turn it around, it also comes with 3 USB ports, which is really nice. And it's kind of like a slanted angle, so it feels pretty nice actually when you type on it. Okay, so I figured the Raspberry Pi thing out. I was so stressed because I didn't have an HDMI port on my MacBook. So I was like, how am I going to get this to connect? But my TV does, so here we have it. I'm so happy right now. See, look, that's the Raspberry Pi terminal. That's their, basically the documents thing. And then that's their version of Google Chrome, like the Chromium thing. I haven't connected to Wi-Fi yet, so I can't really go anywhere. But yeah, pretty much this is it, and here it is. Excuse the mess, but this is the keyboard. and then here is the actual Raspberry Pi, and then the mouse is connected to it, and then I just plugged the power in for the Raspberry Pi. But yeah, I'm excited to make more projects on this for you guys. Hopefully I'll be able to learn it and then show you guys what else we can do on here. Anyways, thanks for watching this video and joining me on this unboxing. Good thing I was able to actually set it up today on this TV over here. But yeah, I'll see you guys soon. Bye.